So while some people are complaining that Nigeria is hard, Hilda Baci is showing us that if you package your passion well, even ordinary food can fetch you millions. So in today's video, we are going to be breaking down Hilda Baci's business strategies so that you can implement them in your business and watch how your business grow after this video. So make sure you watch to the end, because at the end of this video, we are going to be breaking down the tips that we have learned, and I will tell you how to implement it in your various businesses. Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Precious, and in this channel we are all about business ideas, business growth strategies, and making money online. So if this sounds like something you love, do well to hit the subscribe button right now so you don't forget, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So let's dive right in. Let's be honest, in Nigeria, if there's one thing that unites us more than football, Afrobeat, or even politics, that one thing is food, especially when it's jollof rice. So imagine cooking one pot of jollof rice so big that the world take notice of, and that is exactly what Hilda Baci just did. After breaking Guinness World Record for cook-a-thon, she came back again to cook the largest pot of jollof rice in the world. So here's the thing, it's not about the food, it's about the business. So while some people are complaining that Nigeria is hard, Hilda Baci is showing us that if you package your passion well, even food can make you millions. So we'll be breaking this video into sections, so make sure you stay to the end, because at section 5 I'm going to be telling you how to implement these strategies in your own business, even if you're not into food business. Food is a culture in Nigeria. Let's talk truth. In Nigeria, food is not just food, food is our culture. If you go to weddings, you go to parties, or even burial, and there's no food, people won't be happy. You know, Nigerians, we don't play with our stomach. From the woman selling bole and fish at the junction, to the to mama put selling ewedu and amala, and to those big restaurants at Lekki charging 25k for a plate of rice, everybody is cashing out. So Hilda simply took what we already knew and scaled it, and that's why millions of Nigerians stayed close to her cookathon and now to her jollof rice record, because we don't just see food, we see ourselves in it. So in my last video, I talked about how food business is making Nigerians millions of naira this present time. So if you've not watched that video and you're interested in food business, go back and watch that video. And if you want to start up a business but you don't know where to start from, in the description of this video I'll be leaving my link there. Do well to click on that link, and I'll be giving you a detailed guide on how to start up and grow a small business to 6 figures. So let's look at branding lessons from Hilda Baci. Hilda didn't just cook, she branded herself. Think about it, how many chefs do we know by their name? Not many. But Hilda made herself unforgettable. She didn't just fry stew, she fried her way into our hearts. The way she uses social media, live updates, and partnership, that is branding at its finest. Big companies saw the attention she was getting and said to themselves, this is our chance. And that's why brands are falling over themselves to support her. In Nigeria, brands knows one thing: where people's eyes goes, that's where money flows, and Hilda was the spotlight. So make sure you build your brand, make your brand remarkable, and make your brand stand out. If you want a one-on-one section with me on how to make your brand stand out, I'll be leaving my email in the description. Do well to reach out to me. Let's make magic together. Let's talk about the money in food. Let me tell you something, even if people don't travel, upgrade their phones, or buy new clothes, people will still eat. That's why food business is a very profitable business in Nigeria. And you can even start small. You can, if food is something you love cooking, you can start small. You can start with buka, shawarma, or even small chops. Hilda Baci saw the money in food. Hilda Baci understood this. She took the everyday act of cooking and showed the world that food is not just a small business, it is big money. So let's talk about why Nigerians connected with Hilda. You see, Nigerians connected with Hilda because she represented hustle. We all know how hard it is to survive here, from never taking life in the middle to cooking gas finishing when stew is on fire. We can relate. So when we saw her cooking for 100 hours, we felt that struggle. And when she brought out the massive pot of jollof rice, we felt proud, like that's our own. So it's that emotional connection that make people buy, and that's the biggest lesson. If you want to sell anything in Nigeria, connect with people's daily life, be it hunger, joy, or family. So if you want a detailed guide on how to sell anything to anyone in any part of the world without making them feel so too, I'll leave my link in the description. So let's go to the part we've all been waiting for. Let's look at what we can learn from Hilda's success. I have broken them into 5, so stay tuned. Number one, start with what people already need. Don't look too far. Sometimes the gold mine is right in front of you. Number two, brand yourself. Make sure you brand and upgrade yourself. Don't just sell any product. Sell a story. Sell the story behind that product. Lots of people on social media. So if you want people to see you, you want to go global, make sure you make use of social media. Let people see your progress and not just the results. So the first lesson is that consistency wins. Cooking 100 hours is not just a joke, and that's the same consistency you need to build a brand. Number 5, create unforgettable moments. Hilda gave us something to remember, and that's why her name is now tied to food and success. Hilda Baci has shown us that in Nigeria, even ordinary food can make you a millionaire. She has made history with cookathon and now the largest pot of jollof rice. So my question to you is, what skill do you have that you're currently ignoring? Leave it in the comment section and I might just be tempted to make a video telling you how to start, because the same way Hilda Baci turned her passion into wealth, you too can turn your passion into millions. If you enjoyed today's video, do also hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification, because trust me, you don't want to miss my next video.